Hello everyone, let's start solving some questions. Let's start solving question number 1. This question is from your book. So student, while solving the word problem, you have to read and understand the question properly. So for that, read the question twice. So let's start. The cost of a printer is rupees 4360. How much did Ajay pay if he bought 5 such printers? After reading the question, just figure out the values which are given in the question and get the information that why these values are used in the question. So for that, just read the words which are written near the values. So let's start. Cost of a printer is rupees 4360. Student, here A means 1. So it is clearly seen that this value is the cost of one printer. So cost of one printer is rupees 4360. Now come to the next value 5. So read the words written near this value. He bought 5 such printer. It means that Ajay bought. Bought means purchased 5 such printers. So what is 5 here? 5 is the number of printers. Now what you have to find out in this question? Let's read. How much did Ajay pay if he bought 5 such printers? It means that you have to find out the cost of 5 printers which Ajay bought. That is, you have to calculate the cost of 5 printers. Now this information will help you to frame the statements. So let's start. Cost of one printer is rupees 4360. Now student, very important point is that with this is what? This is the cost of printer. So here you have to write the symbol of rupees. Now second statement, number of printers. How many printers were there in the question? 5. Now what we have to find out? We have to find the cost of 5 printers, which is equals to rupees 4360 multiplied by 5. So why we multiply this cost of one printer by 5? Because here we have to find the cost of 5 printers. And why we opt multiply? So for that, look at the question. In the question, when you find that you are moving from smaller value to the greater value. That is, here the cost of one printer is given and you have to find the cost of 5 printer. It means that you are moving from 1 to 5. Here 1 is smaller value and 5 is the greater value. So whenever in the question you are moving from smaller to greater value, in that case you are doing multiplication. So after writing down this, you all know how to multiply by one digit number. So let's start. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into 6 is 30. So leave 0 over here and carry 3 on the 100 place. 5 into 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18. So leave 8 over here and carry 1 on 1000 place. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So this is your answer. You always write your final answer with the final answer statement. So your final answer statement will be Ajay paid rupees 21,800 for 5 printers. Here also you have to write down the symbol of rupees because this is the cost of 5 printers. Let's take question number 2. This question is also from your book. Mr. Kumar earns rupees 36,520 a month. If he spends rupees 26,380 each month and saves the rest, how much money will he save in a year? So children, after reading the question, just first figure out the given numbers which are given in the question and get the information that why these numbers are being used in the question. That will help you to frame the statement easily. So for that, you have to read the words loudly which are written near the given numbers. So let's take first number and read the words. Mr. Kumar earns rupees 36,520 a month. It's clearly seen that rupees 36,520 is Mr. Kumar's monthly earning. Now come to the next value. He spent rupees 26,380 each month. So it is clearly seen that 26,380 rupees he spent every month and saves the rest. Rest means from his earning, that is 36,520, if he spent just 26,380, so obviously some amount of money is left. So that leftover money is saving for Mr. Kumar. So children, you all know that how we find out leftover money? Because in the previous chapter you all have learned that how we find the leftover money. We are using subtraction for finding the leftover money. So we are doing subtraction, smaller value from the greater value. So now let's start framing the statement. Money earned in a month is rupees 36,520. Money spent in a month equals to rupees 26,380. So here we are doing subtraction for finding the leftover money, that is the saving for Mr. Kumar. So third statement will be money saved in a month, which is equals to 10,140. So this is what? This is Mr. Kumar's monthly saving. Is this your final answer? No, this is not. So for final answer, read the question carefully. How much money will he save in a year? So it means that in the question they ask his saving in a year and we just calculate his saving for a month. So rupees 10,140 is saving for Mr. Kumar in a month. And we have to find his saving for a year. So children, you all know that in 1 year we are having 12 months, right? So here write down the next statement. Money saved in 1 month. So we already calculate his saving for 1 month in above step, which is equals to rupees 10,140. Now, next statement is money saves in 12 months, because here we have to find his saving in a year and in 1 year we are having 12 months, right? So, here we write down rupees 10,140 multiplied by 12. Why we are writing 12? Because in 1 year we are having 12 months and we know the saving of Mr. Kumar for 1 month. That is why we are multiplying his 1 month saving by 12. Now the question is, why we are multiplying here? So in previous question, I explained you that wherever you find out that you are moving from smaller number to the bigger number. That is, here you are moving from 1 month saving to the 12 month saving, from 1 to 12. That is, 1 is smaller number and 12 is bigger number. So that is why you are doing multiplication here. After writing down this step, you just figure out this digits of the numbers according to the place value. And you know that this is 2-digit multiplication. So let's start. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2. So here you are multiply by the ones place of multiplier to the digits of multiplicand, right? So now move to the tens place of multiplier and multiply by tens place to the digit of multiplicand. So here let's start. So children, one thing is that when you start multiplying by the tens place, first of all, you have to put 0 under the ones place. Why so? Because here we actually multiply 10,140 by 10. So that is why we are putting 1 0 after the ones place, just below the ones place. So now let's start. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. And 1 into 1 is 1. So here you get both your partial product by ones place and by tens place. After getting both the partial product, you add them together and you will get your final answer. Now always you write down your final answer with the final answer statement. So your final answer statement always comes from the last statement of the question. So Mr. Kumar saves rupees 1,21,680 in 1 year. Here also you have to write the symbol of rupees. So this will be your final answer. So like this you can do many more questions easily. Let's do some fill-ups. Here you have to find out these missing values. So let's take example first. While finding the missing value, you have to check which number is missing. So here you can clearly see that at the left side you are having 165 multiplied by 30. But at the right side 30 is missing. But also your right side is multiplied by 10. So it means that this 30 can be break in terms of 10 as 3 into 10. You already have 10 over here. It means that in this blank 3 comes. So let's check your answer. Is 3 is the answer? Yes, 3 is the answer. Now come to the next example. Here again compare both of your sides. So you can clearly see that here this left side is multiplied by 500, but at the right side 500 is missing. But also your right side is multiplied by 100. It means that your 500 break as 5 into 100. You already have 100 at your right side. It means in this blank 5 comes. So let's check the answer. Is 5 is the answer? Yes. Come to the third example. 51 into 7000. Compare both of your sides. So here first 51 is also missing. It means that in first blank 51 comes. So let's check. Yes. 51 is the answer. Come to the second blank. This blank. This side is multiplied by 1000. It means that somewhere the 7000 break as 7 into 1000 and this side already multiplied by 1000. It means that here 7 comes. So let's check the answer. Yes, 7 is the answer. So like this you can do many more fill-ups from the Let's do another question. If question comes, how much is 300 times 2432? So children, here times means multiplication. Times refers to multiplication. It means that in this question you have to multiply 2432 by 300. So it means that here multiplication refers to time. After figure out this thing, just copy down the digit according to the place value, and you all know how to multiply by 3-digit number. So after multiplying this you get your final answer. So this will be your final answer, 7,29,600. So like this you can do many more questions from the book.